Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love to make memories. And this Acuvar tripod helps me to do that. Now, it has an attachment on the top that allows you to screw on a camera, or it even comes with this attachment that can screw onto the top that works for any cell phone that you have. There's a lever you can pull to take the top off and then easily screw onto your DSLR camera, attach it. And the reason why this is great is that if you are outdoors and you need to take a picture but the lighting is not ideal, the camera needs to be stable in order to take the time it needs to take in that light so that it can take a picture of this beautiful moment that you're trying to remember. And because it is so lightweight, it's easy to strap to the outside or even put inside a bag if there's room. It's so easy to set up, a lot of knobs and levels to make sure you are at the ideal height, have the correct balance, or even if you want to change the direction, you can tilt it all the way to its side and to get the shot that you need. So if you're a fellow videographer or photographer, whether you're beginner or advanced, this is a great tripod to have around the house or on the go so that you can share these beautiful memories with others. And that's my point of view.